Yeah.
All right, good. Now we're going to roll the bottom of your calf with the ball. So both Achilles are good now, right?
Man, you fixed my Achilles. Like, I thought I had to wear insoles my whole life.
No, man. Did you see? You saw what happened to Clay, right? That's 100% preventable. 100%.
Man, I wish I knew this back in the day. I heard these like myths, like, oh my God, your Achilles can just go anytime when you sit down, when you do whatever. I'm like, no, this can't be the case. We're not that weak.
We're not that weak.
We're not.
Achilles should be one of the strongest tendons in the body.
Yeah. Doesn't add up. It doesn't add up how something's so strong, how thick it is.
Yeah, also, yeah, Achilles is also surrounded and interwoven by fascia. So if your fascia is not behaving properly, your Achilles will be the only tendon in that negative step. You're going to stretch it and break it.
Mm-hmm. That's 100% true. That's what I feel. Looking back at my running style.
Yeah, and now you don't have any pain in Achilles.
No pain. No pain. And just adhesion is just like regular, it's just easy to target.
Right. How long have you had the Achilles pain for?
I had it since 2016, where it really started.
Oh, okay, so 4 years.
More than 4 years, yeah.
And you tried all the mainstream method, right?
Yeah, calf raises, physical therapy. They tell me I gotta strengthen my hip flexors and this and that, and nothing really worked. You know.
Yeah, got you. So we had Achilles issue. We had the both knees, and now both Achilles are good. Left knee is good. Only the right knee left.
Yeah, exactly.
And rest.
Woo.
How do you feel?
I feel better, man. My knee felt like it was getting back into like it's wow, like there's no pain. Like I can bend this one better now. I have felt a lot of adhesion over here, a lot of tightness on the left side in this part.
Okay.
Like so much, man. That's all good.
What about on the right?
Right side, I feel burnt. I feel like it's good on the front side. Everything's good. Just that big calf burn. I feel like it's in that double calf region. Like I never felt like a burn right here. Mm-hmm. Always felt in the back, and I feel like that's the thing you're talking about, the double calf formation.
Right.
I never felt that before. So.
Okay. Now you start to feel that part as well. Okay.
Yeah, I'm like, wow, like, dude, I never had that. All right. Man, it's whew. All right. Okay.
Where do you feel the most?
Glutes.
Okay, good.
Man.
It's hard, right?
Dude, this is tougher than any weight exercise I ever did in my life, man.
I'll tell
you that.
Wow. This is like a high level fascial tension exercise.
Yeah.
So what did you use to, how much weight did you lift before?
Like 400, like I used to deadlift easily 450, you know.
Oh, wow.
Like 400, 450, like, and then I stopped doing it because it was like, why am I doing this? Like, it's not helping me get in the field.
Right.
It's helping. It's just making you get bigger and sore, you know.
And now we're feeling challenged by the little marble.
My little marble. I'm getting humbled over here by little marble. Oh, man. Damn, that was tough.
And rest. Excellent.
A little bit of hamstrings in that too.
Good. Excellent. How do you feel?
Man, you healed me. That's how I feel. I feel good.
Anything you feel in your knee?
No, man, I don't feel anything. I feel like I'm ready to play. I don't know how, but yesterday it was like I couldn't even bend it. Like there's some pain there, but nothing like really bad. Wow.
Excellent, excellent. So, but you can see when we did the marble exercise, it's just still very weak. We got to build that up.
It's very weak. Oh, 100%. 100%.
Yeah.
With the Achilles, and that's been such a lifesaver. Like,
yeah, Achilles,
dude,
man, it's the worst type of pain. I know.
I couldn't imagine myself, like, I thought I just had to stay committed to these calf raises, and like I said, insoles. That's not the case anymore. There's more freedom in my brain now.
Right.
So
remember the time I was telling you to take out insole? You were so scared.
I was so scared, man. I was like, yo, this guy is about to mess up my Achilles, and oh my God, this and that. And it was just, I'm so thankful, man. It was a great decision for me to get on this, you know. I'm really excited. So 100%, I'll see you in 2 weeks. All right.
Okay.